Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the new League of Legends Wild Rift on your iPhones with iOS 14 and get it working in its beta form. Now, it's actually really easy in what you have to do. So what you want to do is you want to go create a new Apple ID. That's the first thing we need to do. So if you just go over to your browsers and just go to appleid.apple.com and scroll down here, you'll see an option to create an Apple ID. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And then here, you're going to put your first name, last name, any country or region, date of birth, and your Apple ID that you want to make with a password, and just make sure you put a real phone number, as you're going to have to verify the phone number as well as the email. So just make sure you use a real email and phone number. Now you can leave your country or region wherever you're located for now. We're going to change that later on after you make the account. So once you're done doing this, you can go ahead and exit out of here. And you want to go to your App Store and sign out of your current Apple ID like I already have here. And once you sign into your new Apple ID, this is where things get a little bit different. So now we're going to have to change our region to the Philippines here. So we'll go ahead and make the region Philippines when this comes up. The way to make this page come up as well, this page right here, is whenever you log in for the first time, it's going to tell you that you have to review the terms and conditions for your new Apple ID, as it's the first time that you're using this Apple ID on the App Store. So that's how you get to where I'm at right here if you weren't aware. But you just have to change this to Philippines. So I'll just go ahead and do that really quickly. And once you change it to the Philippines, it just takes a second to load up here. You're going to click on Agree to Terms and Conditions and click on Next. And then what you're going to do here is you're going to go down to where you see a billing address. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to exit out of here, go over to a web browser, and just search for any hotel in the Philippines. And you just want to copy and paste that address in. So here is the address right here. So I'll go ahead and type this one in. And when you're doing the address, just make sure that you guys put in the postal code as well as the phone number as well from whatever address that you guys use. And then you just click on Next, and then you will see this message saying Apple ID has been completed. So we just click on Continue, and then it will then load us into our new Apple ID. If it doesn't, you guys can just go over and make sure you're re-signed out, and then you see your new Apple ID right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to search and just search for the Wild Rift game. And then we will see it right here, League of Legends Wild Rift. You can go ahead and click on Get here, and then we can exit out of here and click on Install. You just put your password as well. And then you will see the game start to install. So we'll give this just a couple seconds here to download and install for us. And once the app is downloaded, you guys can just go ahead and click on it. And then it will load into the Wild Rift game. And once we're loaded in here, we can just click on OK. So now we're just going to be on the login page here. You have three different options to create your account. You have an Apple ID account, a Riot account, and a Facebook account. So you can go ahead and decide here which one you would like to use, and then you can go ahead and click on that option. And then here we're going to have to complete our account. So we're just going to have to put our birthday. You're just going to make sure that you put that you're over 18, just in case, to make sure you don't get in any kind of trouble by using the application. Then just click Continue. And then here we're just going to have to agree to the terms of service, and then just click Accept. And now we're going to have to choose our username. So I'm just going to choose my username that I use for all my gaming accounts. But of course, you can go ahead and create your name right here. And then just click Done and Confirm. And then here, actually, it says it's not working right now as the server is currently under maintenance. So right now, you won't be able to play. But if you come back and check shortly, you should be good to go. I'm just going to show you guys a quick link to this website, though, just to let you guys know about the server status of League of Legends Wild Rift, the beta. This is where you'll find any events or issues with the game, if it's going to be under any updates, or if it's currently down or having any kind of bugs or anything like that. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get Wild Rift right now with the beta. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.